And when Prabhupada went to New York on the boat, he wrote one Bengali bhajan to glorify Radha Damodar. That's in the front of Gita Gan, Prabhupada's versified Bhagavad Gita in Bengali. And there, of course, he glorifies, he said, "Oh, my Lord Radha Damodar, I am so far from you, but you're the Lords of my heart." And then he wrote another prayer in Boston. And he said, "My brothers, listen." Oh, brothers. He's looking at America, and he's looking at all these conditioned souls in Boston and Tuaco and New York and every other place over there. And he's saying, "Oh, my brothers, I want to declare to you emphatically that if you want to attain the mercy of Krishna, that first and foremost, you must surrender to and attain the mercy of Srimati Radhika." This is in this prayer, Markin Bhagavat Dharma. He writes in Bengali, you must, he's saying, emphatically with great emphasis and without a doubt, you must put your petition there. So Prabhupada's first message to the residents of America and means the Western world was, become servants of Radharani.